Hey everybody. This is going to be talking about registry cleaners and optimizers. So years back, I used to think these registry cleaners, like Registry Mechanic for example, that was a big one back in the day. I used to think they were really a good thing. Matter of fact, my late friend Tim, who used to work on computers, he used to run Registry Mechanic on his computer. And it would find a lot of errors and supposedly clean the registry to make it more optimal. See, the thing is, over time, the Windows registry can contain a lot of errors, such as invalid keys, things like that. Because over time, software gets installed, software gets uninstalled. A lot of times when software gets uninstalled, it leaves behind invalid registry keys, which, well, they become invalid once the software gets uninstalled. And these invalid keys in registry, what can happen is it can degrade performance. So these registry cleaners are out there to supposedly make things better for your computer by analyzing your registry, locating supposedly incorrect values and keys, removing those incorrect keys, and optimizing the registry. But is it really good to run those? Here's my opinions. While these registry cleaners, like for example, back in the good old days, Registry Mechanic, I'm not sure if they still are around or not, but I think there's one called Glare Utilities. Spybot Search and Destroy also, I think, has one. I've messed around with a few of those in recent years. I have found that these registry cleaners, oftentimes they will mistakenly flag keys that are valid and are there for a reason and will delete them. And what can happen is it can wipe out settings you have set up in a program to do certain things. Like, for example, the import photos and videos wizard that's in Windows. You can go in and configure it to save photos and videos to a specific folder. You can tell it to delete the photos off your memory card after import. All this good stuff. But I was having some issues with, I think it was with a pop or something like that, and I tried out Spybot Search and Destroy. And it had a registry scanner built in. And that registry scanner flagged and deleted the registry keys that were responsible for the settings in Windows Import Photos Wizard. There was also a few other things that it wiped out as well. And sometimes those registry keys can serve an important purpose. So as of now, I can't say I could recommend those registry scanners, because sometimes, while yes, they can locate and remove dead or invalid registry keys, they can also wipe out and delete valid registry keys, and in some cases important ones, which can wreck system settings and cause programs or Windows to malfunction. So, anyways, yeah, I'm not exactly sold on the idea of registry cleaners nowadays. Feel free to leave a comment below telling me what you think about them. Like I mentioned, back in the old days of Windows XP era, I used to use them sometimes to try to optimize things, but it seems that nowadays they can do more harm than good. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Computer Channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.